You know how to create a disk in Autodesk Fusion, but a disk is not that interesting. Let's create a different object with the same properties that have a constant width of 30 millimeters and a thickness of 10 millimeters, but it is not a disk. We'll start by creating a sketch. We'll put the sketch in the XY plane. And now we are going to choose Sketch, Polygon, Inscribe Polygon. And we'll click here, draw up, and we want it 30 millimeters. Press Tab and say we want a triangle. So there we have our triangle. Now we're going to, on the same sketch, do a center point arc. Make sure that it's not just close, but that it puts a box around it. Place the center point, the starting point, and the ending point. Remember, wait till it snaps. The tool is still on, so we can go from here and draw that arc and start from this center point and draw that arc. Now we can stop the sketch. There's our sketch, no bodies. We can highlight over all of that to select every area in that sketch and create extrude, and we can pull it out to 10 millimeters, or we could have typed 10 there, and we want a new body. Notice there are no bodies. As soon as I say OK, here is the new body. If I select the new body, then I can make it into an STL file and say OK, and I could call it in 2 dimension, it has 3 surfaces, and save yes. Now notice I could have, instead of starting with a triangle, I could have started with a 5-sided polygon. It's also 30, tab, 5, enter, and then I could have done the same thing with the arc, center point arc, from here, center point arc, starting here to there, and so forth. If I finish this now, almost done. Now I have the same sort of figure I did a minute ago, but starting from a pentagon. If I select all of those and create extrude, and extrude it 10, new body. Now instead of having a 3-sided, I have a 5-sided. Notice that I can use this cube up in the upper right hand corner to move it around. At any time I can say I want to go to the so-called home position. This will allow me to pan or move it around. I can zoom in and zoom out. This allows me to orbit around as well. But anyway, now you know how to create 3 and 5-sided, and by extension 7, 9, or any odd-sided 2-dimensional surface of constant width.